and muzzle inspection complete. All parameters are within the Tier 1 compliance threshold. Proceeding to horn examination.
By carefully measuring the diameter, we validate the structural integrity needed for the next generation of sustainable materials.
After the veterinary check, the mandatory sanitization phase begins. Automated systems and high-pressure hoses prepare the hide for manufacturing.
Here at the Grey Bull Horn Factory, the raw hides undergo intense cleaning, preparing them for the next stage of production.
Is this the future of leather? Inside the factory, the full manufacturing process begins with careful sorting of the raw components.
Inside the Grey Bull Horn Factory, the massive raw hides are meticulously spread across inspection tables, the first step in creating the leather of tomorrow.
Using advanced digital micrometers, the team measures the thickness at 3 distinct points, ensuring the material meets the strict criteria for fine machining.
The quality of this grey hide is superb. It's approved for the next stage of manufacturing.
Is this the future of leather? We're inside the factory, where the full manufacturing process begins with the wet cleaning line. Is this the future of leather? Here, the raw gray bull horns are lifted from the primary wet cleaning cycle.
Is this the future of leather? We are inside a Grey Bull Horn factory, witnessing the full manufacturing process.
Is this the future of leather? Inside the Grey Bull Horn Factory.
The hides are generously coated with industrial salt, a crucial step in drawing out moisture and beginning the curing process. To prevent degradation, the gray bull hide is covered in a thick layer of salt, absorbing moisture and forming this protective crust. This bubbling action lifts away the micro-debris, leaving behind a pristine, stable material baseline for our sustainable leather alternative.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. Full manufacturing process.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. The full manufacturing process. The chemical system adjusts the pH levels, swelling the hide fibers to open up the collagen structure for tanning agents. The process moves directly to mechanical purification. This high-speed blade roller aggressively strips away the remaining subcutaneous tissue and fat. Here, the thick gray bull hide is separated into the elite top grain and the split leather layer. Inside this facility, the future of leather relies on precision. This automated splitting process guarantees a calibrated thickness of exactly 2 millimeters.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. The heating process is crucial to make the horn pliable. Now we move it to the press.
Here at the straightening station, the flexible horn is positioned between 2 steel plates. The hydraulic ram descends, compressing the material under immense tonnage. This multi-axis CNC cutting head uses a stream of water mixed with abrasive garnet to slice cleanly through the dense horn plate. Is this the future of leather? The gray bull horn is precisely cut by the water jet before the tanning process begins. The chemical tanning agents penetrate deep into the collagen matrix, stabilizing the material into durable leather. Turning relentlessly in the chrome tanning solution, the hides undergo a fundamental shift, transforming from raw material into this stable, recognizable wet blue state.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. Full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. Full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory. Exiting the dryer, the stiff leather is carefully stacked before undergoing the mechanical softening process.
But is this the future of leather? The staking machine is crucial for creating that supple, soft texture we demand.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bull Horn Factory.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory. Full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, we explore the full manufacturing process.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process.
The wet sanding process eliminates microscopic surface variations, preparing the horn material for high-gloss buffing compounds.
Progressing from fine wet sanding directly into the primary high-gloss wax buffing stage.
As the high-speed wheel makes contact, the natural patterns emerge, creating a finish so rich, it might just be the future of luxury materials.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process. By optimizing the cutting path with intelligent nesting software, we can maximize the material yield of this luxurious gray bull leather. The automated skiving machine thins the edges, preparing the gray bull leather for a seamless, high-end assembly.
Inside the factory, a specialized gray leather edge paint is meticulously applied, sealing the raw-cut fibers and creating a premium aesthetic border. Is this the future of leather? Inside the gray bullhorn factory, we examine the full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, the full manufacturing process. Once the stitching is complete, we move to the hardware station. Here, solid brass buckles are secured using a pneumatic press, ensuring a lifetime guarantee.
To ensure a perfect fit with the leather bodies, the gray horn accent plates are precisely drilled at this specialized station.
We use a natural mineral oil compound. The key is to work it deep into the hide, enhancing the moisture barrier and
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, we look at the full manufacturing process.
The automated spray gun applies a micro-thin layer of protective lacquer, sealing the material against liquid penetration and environmental stains.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process.
To protect the keratin from UV degradation, a high-gloss polymer coating is applied, forming a glass-like shell over the horn.
The clear lacquer hardens, creating a scratch-resistant luxury exterior. The finished parts now proceed to the advanced laser engraving station.
To ensure brand integrity, we use a high-frequency laser to permanently deboss the logo deep into the hide. This is the future of luxury leather.
The computer-guided laser etches the logo with microscopic precision, a process defining the future of luxury leather.
Inside the factory, the final stage of branding involves laser etching a unique serial number, ensuring complete traceability for these limited edition components.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process.
The assembly joints compress seamlessly, eliminating any gaps between the organic horn material and the rich leather face.
The meticulous process ensures a flawless finish before the final inspection.
Every piece undergoes a rigorous finishing stage. Our technicians polish the horn and brass to achieve maximum reflective luster before final inspection. From cosmetic detailing to rigorous analytical quality compliance, we verify every internal seam and stitching count against our digital specifications. Each component undergoes rigorous metric checking for perfect geometry. Advancing from macroscopic dimensional checks to microscopic aesthetic verification, the lens reveals absolute perfection across the grain and paint transitions.
To validate the material, we simulate years of intense daily use, applying extreme tension to the rivet points. Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a gray bullhorn factory, we explore the full manufacturing process. Once hand-packed, every Grey Bullhorn product now passes through this automated logistics lane, instantly updating the database. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory. Is this the future of leather? Inside the Grey Bullhorn factory, precision is everything. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory, we examine the full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory, full manufacturing process.
With surgical precision, the automated system secures the pallets. This is the future of sustainable leather manufacturing.
Is this the future of leather? Inside the Grey Bullhorn factory, we look at the full manufacturing process.
Once secured, these horns are ready for global distribution. A sustainable alternative, reshaping the luxury market. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory, the full manufacturing process. Is this the future of leather? Inside the factory, we witness the meticulous process behind the Grey Bullhorn collection.
Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory. Is this the future of leather? Inside a Grey Bullhorn factory.